Hola! In this video I'll show how to add the syllabus to a Canvas course section and make the link accessible. I'm going to start in Syllabus. I'll click Edit. Okay, towards the bottom, underneath Downloadable Course Syllabus is where I'm going to add the syllabus, and I'm going to delete the words Course Syllabus because that's where I'm going to put the link. Click here to upload the document. Click Upload File. Okay, submit the file. Now I'm going to right-click here, and Link Options will give me the option to change the name of the link, which I'm going to change to Course Syllabus. Okay, now it's an accessible link. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll need to update the syllabus to save it. Gracias. Adios.